Today, we are going to talk about how to ensure target weight for your broilers birds. Target weight for your broilers birds. That's what we want to talk about in today's video. Number one, procure high quality broilers from a reputable source. So no matter what you give to your birds, broilers from poorly performing parent stock or hatchery, they may never do well in terms of feed conversion. So the broiler's feed conversion and weight gain has a lot to do with its genes and quality of parent stock. So this is why it is important to buy broilers from a reputable breeder. Secondly, give your broilers bed high quality feed and quality water. Broilers require quality feed that are formulated to meet their nutritional need. So the water you give to your bird must contain sangrovit because it helps to boost the appetite, maintain the gut, and boost the immune system for your bird. Another thing is that sort the broilers according to body size and weight. So you need to sort the broilers according to their size and weight and keep them in the same growing pen. This will eliminate the factor of inequality, as bigger broilers tend to cheat and bully on the smaller ones. So with the bigger ones separated from the smaller bird will be able to eat and drink without being intimidated, thereby increasing the feed intake and feed conversion. So when you do this one, you will meet your weight target and you will have profit in your poultry farming, especially the broilers one. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow our Facebook page. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.